Herkunftsland erfragen und nennen means how to ask a land of origin and mention it. So before we continue, there is a disclaimer for you. Please read it carefully. Now we can start. Guten Tag. Mein Name ist Indian Soul. Guten Tag, freut mich. That means I am looking forward to it. Freut mich is a very good verb, and when you look for something and when you wait for something, you are excited about something, you use this verb. And personally, I find it very beautiful expression of words. Woher kommen Sie? So, from where you came? Ich komme aus Indien. So when you mention your land of origin, you say aus as a connector. So, and this can be without an article. So, and either in case of in India, it's Indian, Germany, it's Deutschland, Austria, it's Österreich, Russia, it's Russland. In front of some names of countries, you use the article dem, and the countries which uses dem is aus dem Irak, aus dem Iran, aus dem Yemen, aus dem Sudan. And then you use the article der sometimes. So the countries in which with which you are going to use this article are der Schweiz, means the Switzerland, aus der Türkei, from the Turkey, and aus der Ukraine. So that's all for today. Bye bye.